Welcome to episode 5 of my Resilience Workshop. Today we're discussing a topic that many find challenging: vulnerability. Let's get started. Vulnerability is often misunderstood as a weakness, but in reality, it's actually a powerful strength that fosters authentic connections and personal growth. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you express your true humanity and invite others to support and connect with you on a much deeper level. Think about it. Leaders who openly share their struggles with their teams. This act of honesty not only builds trust, but also encourages team members to support one another and collaborate more effectively. So, how can you embrace vulnerability? Here are some strategies backed by research. Number 1, be honest with yourself and others. Acknowledge your feelings and share them with trusted individuals. This honesty can build stronger, more supportive relationships. Number 2, seek support. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Seeking support from others can provide new perspectives and solutions. Number 3, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Recognize that everyone has flaws and everyone makes mistakes. Self-compassion can help you be more open and accepting your vulnerabilities. Number 4, share your story. That's right, share your story. Sharing your experiences, both good and bad, can inspire and connect with others. It shows that you're human and relatable. And lastly, number 5, embrace imperfection. Accept that you're not perfect, and that's okay. Embracing your imperfections can lead to greater self-acceptance and confidence. Reflect on a time when you were vulnerable and how it impacted your relationships. Implementing these strategies can help you embrace vulnerability and build stronger connections in your personal and professional life. In our next session, we'll explore the power of networking. Until then, stay open, stay connected, and keep growing. I wish you days filled with authenticity, connection, and unwavering strength. See you next week.